Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my affordable pamper routine, perfect for when you want to feel refreshed and glowing without spending a fortune. So let's dive in. Before I begin with any hair treatments, I like to brush out any knots and stimulate my scalp. This really helps distribute natural oils and boost blood circulation and also preps my hair to absorb treatments better. I'm starting off with a scalp treatment, and today I'm skipping oiling and going straight in with the Ordinary's glycolic acid. This product works wonders for my scalp. Honestly, I am literally almost out of this, which tells you how much I love this. Glycolic acid helps exfoliate the scalp, removes buildup, excess oil, leaves my scalp fresh and clean, and I prefer to do this like twice a month. Next, I'm trying out a new product. It's the Tresemme Silk Press Pre-Wash Treatment. I am literally so excited to try this out. I was so curious about this one because it claims to prep your hair for that smooth, frizz-free results. It has amino acids and keratin, which helps strengthen the hair and protect it from heat damage. So I'm applying this evenly all across my hair, focusing on the mid-length to the ends, and I'll keep it on for around 20 minutes. Since I have to wait for 20 minutes for my hair treatment to work, I'm going to put on an eye mask. I have been wanting to, finish off all of my previous skincare products before they expire. So I'm just going to, use these up. Lately, I have been breaking out a bit, so I did start eating raw garlic with honey. It's such a simple, natural way to support clear skin. It's been about 15 minutes, and before hopping into the shower, I'm going to dry brush. Dry brushing exfoliates dead skin, boosts circulation, and helps with lymphatic drainage. It also makes my skin super smooth and preps it for body care products that I'll be using. For shampoo, I'm currently trying out the Dove's Glycolic Plus Hydration shampoo. I have used this about 5 times now, and I really like it. The formula is gentle, cleanses my scalp so well without stripping natural oils, and keeps my hair hydrated. Plus, it really smells so fresh and so clean. Moving on to my hair mask, I am using the Bare Anatomy's Voluminous Hair Mask. It has peptides and rice milk, which literally makes my hair super soft. Although I haven't noticed a huge difference in volume, I still love the formula because it nourishes my hair so very well. It has a sweet floral fragrance, which I enjoy. I'm using the white chocolate scrub from Beauty Butters. First of all, look at the size of this, you guys. It's massive and so affordable. The sugar granules are just the right size. It's not too harsh, not too fine, and it literally leaves my skin feeling baby smooth and so soft. For shaving, I'm using my Bombay Shaving Company's shaving foam and my usual razor. And for my body wash, I'm using the Truckle Honeycomb Secret, and this scent is absolutely divine. It's so extremely good. It smells like a blend of caramel and honey, but the caramel definitely stands out more. It's rich, warm, and sweet, almost like a dessert. Literally makes my shower feel extra cozy. I'm using the Skin 1004 Centella Light Cleansing Oil. This melts away sunscreen, makeup, and any buildup from the day without clogging my pores. Then I'm using the Hyphen's Rice Water Cleanser. It's super gentle and cleanses so well. It's also fragrance free, so even if you have sensitive skin, this won't irritate it. This might sound surprising, but I have been loving the Cantu Kids Leave-In Conditioner. It hydrates my hair so very well, makes it super manageable, and it comes in this spray form which makes it so easy to apply. I just like to spritz this all over and use a brush to detangle. And once my hair is dry, I'm applying the Wishcare Scalp Serum. I have seen so many great reviews about this, so I had to try it. It's been around 2 weeks and I'll continue using it for at least 2 months before I give my full review. For my hair serum, I'm using the Traceme's hair serum. This is so lightweight, non-sticky, and smells so good. It helps with frizz and makes my hair super smooth. Moving on to skincare, I'm starting with a face mask. I'm using the Blisscent chocolate face mask. It has cocoa, licorice, and honey, which literally works so well to brighten, hydrate, and smooth the skin. I'm obsessed with the way my skin feels after using this face mask. It literally leaves my skin so soft and glowy after rinsing it off. I like to apply a good generous amount all over and keep this on for 10 minutes. It can be a little tricky to wash this off, so I use remover pads to make this easier. I absolutely love the way my skin feels and looks. Next, I'm using the Fay Beauty's Hydra Milk Toner. This one's so hydrating and calming, especially if your skin is feeling dry or irritated. It is so good. For serum, I'm using the Put Simply's Hydrating Serum. This one brightens dull skin, improves texture, and gives me the most gorgeous glow. If you want something lightweight but super effective, this is such a great one to try. For my moisturizer, I'm using Hyphen Ceramide Rich Billow Cream. This is a super rich, deeply hydrating moisturizer that makes my skin feel so soft. It's literally amazing for dry skin, but since it's a little heavy, I only use it at nighttime. I'm then going in with the Conscious Chemist Peptide Lip Balm. It's so glossy and super hydrating. I love it. Now for the body care combo that has me obsessed is the Nivea's Cocoa Nourish Body Lotion. This scent is so cozy and calming. The formula is deeply moisturizing. It leaves my skin feeling so soft and smooth for hours, so I truly enjoy this. To match the chocolate theme, I'm using Al Rehab Choco Musk perfume. Absolutely divine. It's sweet, chocolatey, and warm, but not overpowering. Before I sleep, I like to use the Medicube's Collagen Overnight Mask. I personally prefer this one over any sheet mask because it feels so lightweight and I do not have to worry about it slipping off, when I sleep. This literally leaves my skin super glowy and plump the next morning, so I personally quite enjoy it. I think this is the only expensive product from my entire routine, but honestly, the amount of times you're going to use this just makes it up for the price. And that's it, you guys. That's my pamper routine. I hope this was helpful and fun. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.